Today we discuss the fascinating effects of consuming okra on your body. Okra, often referred to as lady's finger, is a green flowering plant that is widely consumed in various cuisines around the world. While its culinary uses are diverse, from gumbo to pickles, okra also offers a range of potential health benefits due to its unique nutritional profile. From supporting digestive health to providing essential nutrients, let's delve into what happens to your body when you eat okra. Before we explore the effects on the body, it's important to understand the nutritional content of okra. This vibrant green vegetable is low in calories yet rich in essential nutrients. A typical serving of okra, about 100 grams, contains fiber. Okra is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness. Vitamins. It's a good source of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Minerals. Okra contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are vital for maintaining proper muscle function, nerve transmission, and bone health. Antioxidants. This vegetable is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 1. Immune system support. The presence of vitamin C and other antioxidants in okra can give your immune system a boost. These compounds help strengthen the body's defense mechanisms against infections and illnesses, ensuring your immune system is ready to fend off potential threats. Several mechanisms contribute to okra's immune-boosting effects. Immune cell support. Vitamins like C and A are essential for the production and proper functioning of immune cells, including white blood cells. These cells are the body's frontline defense against infections. Inflammation regulation. Chronic inflammation can suppress immune responses. Okra's anti-inflammatory properties help regulate the body's inflammatory processes, ensuring that the immune system can operate optimally. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, including cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. Okra's antioxidant content, along with its anti-inflammatory properties, may contribute to reducing inflammation throughout the body. Okra's anti-inflammatory actions occur through several pathways. Reduced oxidative stress. The antioxidants in okra combat oxidative stress, which is a key driver of inflammation. By neutralizing free radicals, these antioxidants help prevent cellular damage and inflammation. Inhibition of pro-inflammatory pathways. Compounds in okra, such as quercetin, have been shown to inhibit the activation of pro-inflammatory signaling pathways in the body, thus reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. Immune regulation. The nutrients in okra can influence immune cell function and the release of inflammatory mediators, helping to maintain a balanced immune response. 3. Heart health. Understanding the significance of heart health is essential. The heart is a powerhouse organ responsible for pumping blood and delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the body's tissues. A healthy heart is vital for overall well-being, and lifestyle factors play a pivotal role in maintaining its optimal function. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, and potassium in okra contributes to heart health. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol compounds and facilitating their excretion from the body. Antioxidants protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Let's delve into the ways in which this unassuming green gem contributes to a stronger, healthier heart. Potassium. Okra contains potassium, a mineral that assists in regulating blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake helps counteract the effects of sodium, thus promoting healthy blood pressure levels and reducing strain on the heart. Antioxidants. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C, okra helps combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress contributes to arterial damage and the progression of heart disease. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, helping to maintain the integrity of blood vessels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. Do you like our video so far? Before we move on to the next fascinating effects of consuming okra, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Understanding blood sugar regulation. Balanced blood sugar levels are essential for maintaining energy levels, preventing energy crashes, and reducing the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes. When we consume carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. The hormone insulin is then released to help cells absorb glucose and use it for energy. However, imbalances in this process can lead to high blood sugar levels, which can have negative health effects over time. For individuals concerned about blood sugar levels, okra could be a valuable addition to their diet. The fiber content helps slow down the absorption of sugars from the digestive tract into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. Here's how okra can positively impact blood sugar levels. Reduced glycemic response. The combination of fiber and a low GI in okra helps prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels after meals. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Improved insulin sensitivity. Regular consumption of okra may improve insulin sensitivity, making cells more responsive to insulin signals. This enhances the efficient uptake of glucose from the bloodstream into cells. 5. Digestive health. One of the most notable effects of consuming okra is its positive impact on digestive health. The high fiber content aids in maintaining regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting a healthy gut environment. Additionally, the mucilage, the slimy substance found in okra, can help soothe and protect the digestive tract, potentially alleviating irritation or discomfort. Let's delve into the ways in which this unassuming vegetable can support and enhance your digestive well-being. The digestive symphony. Before we explore okra's impact on digestion, it's crucial to understand the pivotal role that the digestive system plays in our overall health. This complex system is responsible for breaking down the foods we eat, extracting essential nutrients, and eliminating waste products from the body. Here's how okra can positively impact your digestive health. Promotes regular bowel movements. The fiber and mucilage in okra contribute to bulkier and softer stools, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Supports gut motility. Mucilage acts as a natural lubricant, helping to keep things moving smoothly through the intestines and reducing the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort. Remember, consuming okra can lead to a variety of positive effects on your body. From supporting digestion and blood sugar regulation to promoting heart health and bolstering your immune system, this nutrient-rich vegetable is a valuable addition to a balanced diet. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't hesitate to pick up some okra and explore the many culinary possibilities it offers for your well-being. Enjoy the video? Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative video.